Hi, my name is Jay Kim. I am also formerly incarcerated. And that's why I had the privilege to be a part of San Quentin's first film festival. And this helped create opportunities for so many people. It helped create opportunities for me. That's actually how I met A24 Films when they were promoting Sing Sing. And we had a wonderful, lovely conversation. And I followed up with them and they gave me an internship when I got out. So this festival is amazing because it just provides the potential, the potential to be connected to somebody who can really help you and elevate you to get you to that next level of where you want to be with your filmmaking and storytelling. Being a part of something like this is huge. It's phenomenal because we are helping paint the picture. We are also changing the narrative of how people view and perceive and treat formerly incarcerated and currently incarcerated people.